Welcome to this important video of Python directory management. We have learned so many tasks related to Python directory management. That is, first of all, we discussed how to get the current working directory location. Next, we discussed how to change the directory. And next, we discussed how to find or how to note down the list of directories. And next, how to make a new directory. In this video, we will discuss how to rename a directory if it already exists. So in order to rename the directory, we use a simple function called rename. So this method will rename a directory or a file. However, for renaming any directory or file, the rename method basically takes in two arguments. First argument will be the name of old name, and next second argument will be the new name of directory. So in this way, we can rename a directory. So first of all, we can see here, first we will import a module. OS is the name of module which we will import. Next, we will rename this module, and we will rename this module in such a way that first we will write the old name and next we will write the new name. So in this way, this new directory name will be created, and we can do it easily on our Python software, which is an integrated environment of PyCharm. So first of all, we will import the module import OS. Next, what will we do? We will use the rename module, and as soon as we rename the module, we can see here we have given a test directory here on the left side. We will rename this to a new name. So first we will write the previous name test directory, and next we will write the new name. So we can write here as new directory. So I will run this code, and as soon as I run this code, you can see here it has been changed on the left side, and now it is new directory. Similarly, I can change the next directory name from test directory 2 to the new directory 2. So when I use this and I run this code, you will see here the test directory 2 has been changed. Similarly, I can rename the test directory 3 to new directory 3, and you will see here this folder on the left side, which is test directory 3. This will be renamed to the new directory 3. So in this way it works, and this is called Python directory management. Okay, okay. Similarly, we can learn after renaming the directory, we can see how to remove a directory. So if we want to remove the directory, we use method called rmdir. What the rmdir will do, this method will remove the directory. However, it should be clear that the directory should be empty first. If the directory is not empty, then we can make it empty. We can delete the sub directories and files in it. And however, if we want to remove the non-empty directory direct, we use another method called rmtree method, which is in the shuttle mode. But we are focusing here how to remove an empty directory. So in this way, we will use this command rmdir, and we will name the directory which we want to remove, and it will be removed as soon as we run this code. So let me do it at our software. So what will I do? I will remove this directory here, new directory. So I will write here rmdir, and when I write here rmdir and I put this name, which is new directory, which is present on the left side, you can see here it is present on left side. Then I will run this code, and as soon as I run this code, this new directory has been removed, and now I'm going to remove the new directory 2. Similarly, I will run this code again. You can see here new directory 2 it has also been deleted. Now what has been left is new directory 3. I'm also going to remove it, and it has also been removed. So in this way it works. So we have learned how to manage the directories in an efficient way. That was up till now, and stay with us and leave your valuable feedback in comments, and stay with us for upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you.